This is a demonstration of some of the advanced presentation capabilities of the PowerBuilder Data Window Control. This particular project is a spin-off of an application I developed for a contracting firm to record and display the time worked on by contractors on various assignments. It can also be used for planning and scheduling purposes, which is why I refer to it as a planner. Since then, I've used it as a platform to develop and test user interfaces using dynamic data window coding. The basic functionality of the planner is to apply some type of task, asset, or person against another asset or person over some type of time frame. So let's get started. This is the planner. You see some actions and options on the left, a report area at the bottom, and a planning area that occupies the rest of the window. In this example on the left, there is a task area containing different types of professional training classes. Each class type contains various class descriptions and a bar showing the color code for that class. The plan area has a list of instructors in two different buildings on a grid with time intervals across the top. In this case, each cell along the grid represents one day. The light blue column represents the current day. Plans can also be created by the hour, which displays 7 days of data based on a selected date, by the quarter hour, which also displays 7 days of data based on the selected date. You can use a horizontal scroll bar to view all 7 days. And a 5-minute interval which displays 1 day based on the selected date. Plans can also be generated that have the time segments on the left and put the asset or person in the header. This option displays a plan for all the instructors for the next 30 days. Use a horizontal scroll bar to view the schedule for all instructors. Plans can be moved in the plan area simply by dragging on the title bar. Plans can also be arranged using menu options. For instance, the tile option. Title bars can be removed to display additional data. Other display options include the tab option, which creates a tab for all the displayed plans, and a ribbon option, which displays the plans in one long scrollable form. So let's get started. The planner allows you to simply select and apply tasks to an instructor by drawing them on the planner with a mouse. So first I will select Technical Writing Skills and apply this to instructor Miss Jones. The report area shows that the task has been generated. Tasks can be moved, copied, and their links changed just by using the mouse. To show the relationship between the planner and the report, the background color of the taskbar can be changed by editing the color value on the report. So let's apply more tasks to the planner. Tasks can be overlapped on the same instructor. The task can also have a fixed length, which just requires a click on the starting date on the planner. As you can see, the report is automatically filled in as tasks are applied to the planner. The report shows all the detail for the planner, including the instructor, classes, the start and end dates, and durations. Another method of viewing data is by moving your mouse over the bars on the planner. There is also a View Property drop-down menu option. Since the planner is data window based, you have access to the detail area of the data window as well as drop-down data windows. So if a row contains multiple tasks and I quickly want to view more details, then I select the row detail to view all tasks for the row. Each task has an associated drop-down data window that can contain anything that is relevant to the task. In this case, a small graph is displayed that shows some of the latest visual properties of the data window. Since it is a data window, it is selectable. You can choose a report based on the row in the drop-down data window that is selected. So let's select a few more reports. So now you see 3 different reports for 3 different tasks for Dr. Lee. To select a range of tasks, there is a selection option that highlights the selected date time range using gradient and transparency properties to a nice effect. You can see how the rows in the report are highlighted as they become included in the selection interval. If the plan is too small for easy viewing, simply zoom in. All the actions and functionality are available while in the zoom state. I hope I've demonstrated the modern and immersive applications can be developed using Power Builder for your Windows, browser, and mobile devices.